Hello, friends of the Urban Ecology Center. How are you? I have heard you are learning about birds. I love birds. I believe they are fascinating creatures. And it's crazy to think that we got this out of this. Yes, because birds are the only surviving dinosaurs. Birds have evolved from dinosaurs. And needless to say, birds have extremely cool adaptations. You know, adaptations, something that animals have or do to be able to survive. You know, let's take a look at some of these adaptations. Because birds, first of all, are vertebrates. What does that mean? They have a backbone. And let me show you a little model. And this is not a real representation of the skeleton, but it gives you more or less of an idea of the backbones. The interesting thing about birds is that they have hollow bones. What does that mean? It makes them lighter for them to be able to fly, because most of them can fly. But you know, ostriches and penguins don't have hollow bones. They don't have those bones empty inside, so they cannot fly. You know, maybe we can take a look at some of these birds and pay attention to those adaptations. For example, if I grab one of my pet birds, here we can see a pigeon. These are one of my pets. I really love pigeons. And here we can see that birds have wings and feathers. They have 4 types of feathers. And here we can see the flight feathers located in the wings. They have the tail feathers that are like rotors. It helps the bird find its way in the air to steer one way or the other. They have the contour feathers, so those feathers here in the surface of the bird to protect them from the water, from the rain. And then here underneath we have the down feathers that maintain the bird at a constant temperature. Well, as you can see, you know, these pigeons and all types of birds, they have different shapes, different colors, different sizes, and different beaks. They have adapted all of those features for their needs, to their environment. You know, birds are oviparous. The female bird lay eggs. Maybe we can take a look at some of these eggs right here. Here you can see one of the eggs, and they are going to be incubating this egg for 18 days, and a little chick will hatch out of this egg. Maybe we can take a look at one little chick that was born 3 hours ago. So this is gonna be a little tiny chick. There we can see, that's how a pigeon looks like when it's just born. That's a little chick and not even 3 hours old, okay? And they're gonna being fed by the parents. Maybe I can put it back with his parents, and we can take a look at one that it's a week old. As you can see, this one doesn't have the down feathers yet, so that's the reason the parents keep on hanging out with them in the nest to keep them warm, okay? And they're gonna continue growing feathers. Maybe we can take a look at one other little chick that is 2 weeks old. Here we can see how they grow much bigger in size, and now they're growing those flight feathers and are ready to soon become an adult bird. We have mentioned that they are oviparous, and birds can be herbivores. They can eat seeds, plants, or maybe nectar, like the hummingbird. Some other birds are omnivores, and that means that apart from plants and seeds, maybe they can eat insects. And pigeons are somewhat like this. They mainly eat seeds, but they can eat an insect from time to time. And then we have carnivore birds, those birds of prey, the hawks and the falcons that may wanna eat some of these pigeons. Well, that is all. I hope you enjoy this short explanation and keep on exploring. Bye-bye.